Hi, I'm Johnny, and this is North. We've taken a lot of time perfecting our little knives. We find them so handy, not just using them in a studio, but also in our day-to-day lives too. We hope you like using them as much as we do.
So please back or share our product, and we look forward to seeing how you use yours.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We all need to communicate with the people in our lives. And in this digital revolution, our phones have become more integral than ever in keeping us connected. But when these devices run low on power, we need a convenient solution. PowerClip Pro and PowerClip Micro. Instantly charge your phone wherever you are. Our unique slide-out connector eliminates the need for wires, and PowerClip's form factor allows you to talk while charging. Locate your keys with Bluetooth technology and avoid those stressful moments. Never leave your keys behind, as your PowerClip and phone are always connected. Find your phone at the touch of a button. And the moment you drop your keys, PowerClip will let you know. Instantly boost memory capacity, or simply store files remotely. Access your data anytime directly, via USB, or even wirelessly. Wherever you take PowerClip with you, the built-in accelerometer records your every step and tracks your progress. Double press for a handy flashlight and charge seamlessly.
Cooking should be a joy. It's more than just a means to a meal, it's a tangible experience. It's a chance to create, to decompress, to connect. It doesn't take special training to find joy in cooking at home. No matter where you're starting, anyone can make a meal they're proud of. But ask any chef and they'll tell you the most important tool in the process is your chef's knife.
I'm not a professional chef, but I love to cook. I love cooking at home for friends and family. And over the years, I've found how much more enjoyable it is when I have the right tools. This is especially true when it comes to having a really great chef's knife.
What you do in the kitchen mostly involves your chef knife. All the prepping, cutting, slicing, and all that stuff, it can feel like a chore if you've got a crummy knife. Whereas when you've got a really good chef knife, It feels good. You look forward to it. To help bring joy back to the kitchen, we spent the last 2 years creating what we believe is the best chef knife in its class, the Concord chef knife.
It all starts with the core. We wanted to make an incredibly sharp knife that would stay sharp for a long time without sharpening. That's why we chose to use Osten Steel, produced only in Tsubame, Japan, known the world over for its ability to hold an edge.
Next, we focused on balance. A well-balanced knife will feel like an extension of your hand. You'll instantly notice the way the knife seems to know what you want it to do. In fact, kan in Japanese means intuition or sixth sense. And we named it that because we wanted a blade that would do exactly what you wanted it to do.
And of course we wanted this knife to be beautiful. The Osten core is clad between 66 layers of Damascus stainless steel and is paired with your choice of beautiful dark ebony wood or an extremely durable G10 composite handle.
Once we had a design we were happy with, we gave the Concord chef knife to some professionals to put it to the test and get their feedback.
I like the Con knife because it's very meticulously balanced. It has a great rocker action on it, razor sharp, and very easy to maintain.
So I've been using the Concord chef knife for about a month now. Haven't had to sharpen it at all. I'll take it to the hone it every day, but stays really sharp, feels great in the hand. It's a really comfortable knife to use. It's weighted beautifully.
This knife, sharpen it once, holds its edge, doesn't need a lot of maintenance.
It was extremely sharp, which is what we want. You could take that super ripe tomato and just slice it, paper thin slices.
Stand in the daily grind that I have to go through of working with this thing in my hand all the time, and the way it fits, the way it balances, the way it's sharp, it's a pretty cool knife.
We really want to get people back into the kitchen and enjoy the benefits of home cooking. Now, maybe you'll eat a little healthier or save some money, but it's all about cooking and sharing a piece of you with the people that you love. There's no better way to build relationships than sharing a good meal together.
But we really need your help. Osten Steel is only produced in Tsubame, Japan. By placing a large enough order, we'll be able to bring down the cost on these knives. A knife like this would normally cost hundreds of dollars, but by cutting out the middleman and going directly through Kickstarter, we'll be able to get this knife into as many hands as possible because we want you to love the way you cook.